Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox and review, the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 3H. As we all know, clean air is essential for a healthy living environment, and Xiaomi is known for their high-quality products. So, let's dive right in and see what this air purifier has to offer. Alright, let's open this up. Here we have the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 3H. It's sleek and modern in design, with a clean white finish that will blend seamlessly into any room. The first thing I notice is how compact and lightweight it is. You can easily move it around your home for optimal placement. Now, let's take a closer look at the controls. Here on the top, we have the intuitive touch-sensitive control panel. It allows you to power the device on and off, adjust the fan speed, and monitor the air quality in real time. The LED display provides clear feedback on the air quality and current mode. On high mode it is a little louder, but when you set it to some other mode the purifier can be barely heard. There is also a sleep mode, which is the quietest. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the Mi Air Purifier 3H. It's equipped with a high-efficiency HEPA filter that effectively removes particles as small as 0.3 microns, including pollen, dust, and pet dander. This ensures you're breathing clean, purified air. And here's the exciting part, this purifier is smart-enabled. You can control it remotely using the Mi Home app on your smartphone. This means you can monitor and adjust the air quality from anywhere, which is incredibly convenient.